Start. The cases in which the Labour Court Industrial Tribunal finds that even though the inquiry held against the employee workman is consistent with the rules of natural justice and or certified standing orders, if any, but holds that the punishment was disproportionate to the misconduct found proved, then it will have the discretion not to award full back wages. Stop. However, if the Labour Court Industrial Tribunal finds that the employee or workman is not at all guilty of any misconduct, or that the employer had foisted a false charge, then there will be ample justification for award of full back wages. Stop para. The cases in which the competent court or tribunal finds that the employer has acted in gross violation of the statutory provisions and or the principles of natural justice, or is guilty of victimizing the employee or workman, then the court or the tribunal concerned will be fully justified in directing payment of full back wages. Stop. In such cases, the superior courts should not exercise power under Article 226 or 136 of the Constitution and interfere with the award passed by the Labour Court, etc., merely because there is a possibility of forming a different opinion on the entitlement of the employee workman to get full back wages or the employer's obligation to pay the same. Stop. The court must keep in view that in the cases of wrongful illegal termination of service, the wrongdoer is the employer and the sufferer is the employee workman, and there is no justification to give a premium to the employer of his wrongdoings by relieving him of the burden to pay to the employee workman his dues in the form of full back wages. Stop para. In a number of cases, the superior courts have interfered with the award of the primary adjudicatory authority on the premises that finalization of litigation has taken long time, ignoring that in the majority of cases the parties are not responsible for such delays. Stop. Lack of infrastructure and manpower is the principal cause for delay in the disposal of cases. Stop. For this, the litigants cannot be blamed or penalized. Stop. It would amount to grave injustice to an employee or workman if he is denied back wages simply because there is long lapse of time between the termination of his service and finality given to the order of reinstatement. Stop. The courts should bear in mind that in most of these cases, the employer is an advantageous position vis-a-vis the employee or workman. Stop. He can avail the services of best legal brain for prolonging the agony of the sufferer, that is, the employee or workman who can ill afford the luxury of spending money on a liar with certain amount of fame. Stop. Therefore, in such cases, it would be prudent to adopt the course suggested in Hindustan Tin Works Private Limited versus Employees of Hindustan Tin Works Private Limited 1979 to SCC 80. The observation made in JK Synthetics Limited versus KP Agrawal 2007 to SCC 433 that on reinstatement the employee workman cannot claim continuity of service as a matter of right is contrary to the ratio of the judgments of three judge benches referred to herein above and cannot be treated as good law. Stop. This part of the judgment is also against the very concept of reinstatement of an employee oblique workman.